y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today the video that we're going to do is the Boxcharm unboxing for the month of July. So it's been about a month or so since I've done one of these. I think I done the last month. I'm not 100% certain if I posted it or not. I've been having some issues with my settings on my camera, so I don't know if it went up or not. If it did, awesome. If it didn't, sorry. So this is actually just a regular Boxcharm. It's not the Boxy Lux or anything like that. So the theme of this month's box is called Boxcharm Au Natural, or whatever. However everyone said. So in the box you do get like a skincare ready for a flash facial between July 7th and August the 3rd, $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. So you do get a coupon for that, which is awesome. And then the next thing that I have in my box is going to be the Luxie brushes. It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. So this is what it looks like, which is really, really cute. Now, I have not opened this or anything like that. These are $30. It says, create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apparently you can apply the foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush, blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush, not blush. These are $30 for all three of them, so I'm just going to go ahead and open them up. If they're anything like the other ones that I have, they are going to be put up. I've not even used the other ones. They're just too pretty. Okay, so here are what they are. They look like. These are really, really pretty. I love the packaging on them. They're so pretty. So this is the 250 large eye blending. That one there. Then you have the foundation brush, which is kind of like this. It's not like a brown brush like I prefer. So that's the 510. So it's really pretty. And then of course we have the 246 precision crease blush, which is a flat brush. It does not say if they're synthetic or natural, so I really don't know. So the next thing that I've got is the, I'm not sure how to say this brand's name. I've never really known how to say it. It's ELEMIS. Elmas, I'm not sure. It's the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So you do get a full container of it. This does have 2.5 fluid ounces. This says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. This retails for $35. So that's pretty good. I haven't opened it or used it or anything like that. As you can tell, it still has the plastic on it, so I'll go ahead and open it. Since I don't have, my nails are short this week. Oh, that actually sounds really good. So I probably will do a video reviewing this to see, you know, how it does and stuff like that. So the next thing that I've got in my box, that's here. And if you hear all the noise in there, that's my dog and my cats. So just ignore it if you can. It's a little hard, I know, but I'm sorry. So this is the Alamar Cosmetics These Nude as Lip Gloss. I'm not sure exactly how to say that. This is in the, does it have it? Dolce, I believe. It says this is a long-lasting thickening formula that conditions lips while delivering high shine and full pigmentation. Wear it alone or over our new lip liners. Gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, and always cruelty-free. Free, not fee. This does retail through $15. Alamar Cosmetics, I love their stuff. Every time I get something like this in Boxcharm, I love it. I don't know what kind of, ooh. Oh, that's pretty. So the package kind of makes me think it's going to be like a dark nude, and it's really not. It's really, really, okay then. It's really, really pretty nude, if you can see it right there. I will probably use all of this stuff in a video. I've got a lot of makeup, like a lot, that I've not touched, that I bought back in when I done that Ulta haul a few months ago. I've not even touched it. Well, I've touched it, I've just not worn it. Anyway, that retails for $15. The next thing that I've got is the Butter London eyeshadow palette, which I was really excited for. Now, it does say that this is the Natural Goddess Everything, or Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It says, serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess to in Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It says, enchants with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades, whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress. These cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. So that's pretty good. This does retail for $32. Now, this is really cute. I don't know if I've tried anything by London or not, or Butter London, however you want to say their name. I don't know. I don't think I have, but again, I don't know. So when you open it, it does have, of course, like a plastic sheet right here. You just take off. Now, these are what the packaging looks like, first of all, which is really pretty. Then you have, the shades right here. So it does have the names on them, which is awesome. So we have Femme Fatale, Temptress, Diva, Star, Queen, and Enchantress. So I really like these colors. It looks like we have 2 mattes, which is Temptress and Femme Fatale, and then Enchantress, Queen, Star, and Diva look like they're shimmery shades. So that is what they look like, and the mirror can fold back as well, which is good. So that's what they look like. I don't know if you can see or not, because I feel like with my light on it's too bright, then I feel like it's too dark here. So that's really what's so pretty and stuff like that, and I really can't wait to use this. This is really, really pretty. Okay, and then the very last thing that I've got is it's a Peel Gel Liner. It says, line and define your eyes or your lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. Now, this is $21 is what it retails for. Have I opened it? I think did I take it? Okay, so, not even took the plastic off, as you can tell, because I'm just now taking it off. So, yeah. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so it's green, so that's awesome. And the packaging for all of these, I swear, they kill it every month just with the packaging. I mean, you know, the theme and stuff like that, it matches every month. It really makes me wonder how they do it month after month. This is so awesome. I'm trying to get this plastic off. Now, this is a green eyeliner. I've never really had green. I steered towards either mostly like light browns, purples, or white. Purples make my eyes pop because I do have hazel eyes. So they do tend to make my eyes pop a little bit more than normal. So this is in the color Forest Green. So of course I'm not using this as a lip liner. I am using this strictly as an eyeliner. So this is what it looks like right there. And it is not a roll up. You do have to sharpen it. So it's really, really pretty. Okay, so I believe that is all of it, because I don't have anything else left in here. But I will go ahead and add all this up and let you know how much it was, because it looks like we got a good deal. Well over $100 is what I'm thinking. 35 plus 30, 32, plus 32, I cannot math, plus 30, plus 15, okay, let me try, 30, plus 15, plus 21. So the total value of this box is $133, which is awesome considering I only pay like 22 bucks or $21. I don't know how much the shipping and stuff like that was. It was like $22 and some cents, I think, for all of it. But yeah, I mean, it's really a good deal. I mean, you really, you know, even with this pretty eyeshadow palette and stuff like that, this green, I swear, this eyeshadow right here would go so well, I believe. I may try this, I'm not sure. With this femme fatale color here, or over the star. That would look so pretty. If you would take like Temptress here and like that color and mix it together, oh, that's going to be so pretty. So I really can't wait to try some eyeshadow looks with it because I am so excited for this. So yeah, that's all I have. So I will see you all in my next video.